Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete signature field in PDF XChange Editor. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on removing a signature field from a PDF using PDF XChange Editor. This is helpful if a form was set up incorrectly, if the signature box was placed in the wrong location, or if you simply need to clean up the document before sharing it. To begin, open PDF XChange Editor on your computer. Once the program is open, load the PDF file that contains the signature field you want to remove. Make sure the document is fully visible so you can easily locate the field before making any changes. If needed, you can adjust the zoom level to get a clearer view of the area where the signature field appears. Next, go to the top of the window and click on Form. This section contains the tools used to manage interactive form elements inside the PDF, including signature fields, text boxes, checkboxes, and other editable components. Opening the Form tab is important because it gives you access to the controls needed to select and modify these fields properly. After that, click on Select Field. This tool allows you to choose a specific form field rather than just highlighting regular content on the page. That distinction matters because signature fields are treated as form elements, not as ordinary text or images. If you try to remove the field without using the correct selection tool, you may not be able to delete it successfully. Once Select Field is active, click on the sample signature field in the PDF. When you select it, you should see that the field is highlighted or outlined, confirming that PDF XChange Editor recognizes it as the active form field. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct item, especially if the document contains multiple fields close together. With the signature field selected, press Delete on your keyboard. This will remove the signature field from the PDF. If nothing happens, double-check that the field itself is selected and that you are not just clicking on the page background. After deleting the field, it's a good idea to review the page to confirm the signature field is gone. If everything looks correct, save your document so the change is preserved. You may also want to save a backup copy before editing PDFs in case you need to restore the original later. That's all it takes to delete a signature field in PDF XChange Editor. Following these steps carefully helps ensure you remove only the intended field and keep the rest of your form intact.